Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use your free trial on Snapchat Plus. So it's very simple. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. So basically I want you to open your Snap. As you can see my logo, that means I've Snapchat Plus and I've never paid for it. So let me show you real quick. So when I open my Snapchat, you can see I have the verification badge up here, and when you go down here, you see Snapchat Plus member since 27th February 2026. So this is very simple. As you can see, I get all the features for anyone who gets Snapchat Plus, and this is a free trial. So later on, they ask you to pay, and the way you can do this is by asking anyone with Snapchat Plus to send you a link whereby you use your free trial. But to use this free trial, you have to ensure that you've never used this 7-day free trial before, so that Snapchat can give you a free trial for a whole week for Snapchat Plus, and then you can pay later. Thank you. That's how you get your free trial for Snapchat Plus. Ask anyone for the link who has Snapchat Plus.